Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. If you are watching this live, nice. Probably not yet. If you are watching this after the live stream, this is a stream because Bitcoin is dropping. So you want to just re-watch it, good for you, man. That said, we're gonna also do some kind of Bitcoin analysis, see what's good and what not. And this music is just way too loud, I think. I think it should be something around here. Yeah. There we go. Some tea. No milk, no sugar. Hi George, how you doing? Let's wait a little bit so people can join the chat. Because I think a lot of people are really interested in what's happening right now. Bro, please give us info, should I sell, please? I don't know, man. KC is right. Who's KC? Music too loud. Is it still too loud? We're just getting started, man. We're gonna pump these numbers. What's going on? Some news? I think it's just some Chinese news. I'm not quite sure. I will try to figure it out. Yeah, China to crack down on Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency trading activities, woes Xi Jinping, right-hand man, and Vice Premier Liu He. So China is cracking down on Bitcoin mining, basically. Music still needs to come down. Dude, how low? How low are we gonna go? It's on 5 now, let's go to 4. Is 4 better? VeChain down by 20%. Man, VeChain did drop less previously as well, like crazy. It went down some crazy numbers right now. Yeah, it's peaked a little bit back up, but I don't think this is done yet. Bitcoin down 7.33%. Let's look at this on 5-minute chart. You can see here right now breaking down below the 10 moving average over here, and we are looking for this target of here. Once this is actually broken on the 5-minute chart, this can actually drop even more harder. So we are right now looking at 36,683. What the F is this music? Don't you like my music, man? What's wrong with you guys? Wait, we gotta get into charts. I always forget to go into charts because now we can see the charts and less of my face. Is it getting manipulated or a sign of a bear market? I don't know, man. Bear market and manipulation, what's the difference? What's the difference, man? I don't mind the music. Good. Elon, I'm keeping faith. Everything is going to be alright. Yeah, man. Sure, why not? Dobar dan. Dobar dan. Tried to short 3 times and failed just for 50 minutes to get busy with something else and dropped happened. Missed out shorting. Yeah, that's life, man. That's life. It's not a bear market, says Sarah Heiss. How long are we going this time? Well, we broke one of the most, one of the important supports that I was holding very dear right now. That's a 38,150. That was a one very important support to me, 150 or somewhere around there. This stop over here, we broke that right now. I mean, we are not close below that. So this on the weekly. So if this if we close below 38,153 on the weekly, it's bad. So I'm hoping that we can pick up like we did previously over here. Also, we got a very good support down here at 32,259. Daily, there is nothing there. So 32,000 and 38,150. Let's see in 5-minute chart. Hey, maybe it's over, guys. Maybe it's over. Maybe we are picking up again. Maybe it's over. correction still in play. C-wave, I'm not very good with Elliott waves, man. Let's try doing Elliott waves, because you know I'm not good with it, but you know I like to play with stuff, so why not? So I don't know how these Elliott should Elliott waves start down here, because this correction, then it starts it's a big one, right? So we got a 1 to 5, so we're gonna 1, this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. It doesn't seem right. Maybe it's a bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe something like this. I don't know. My daughter is relieved. Good for you, man. Good for you, man. I'm glad she listened to you. Yeah, something like this. But I don't like looking on the daily chart because it's just too big of a move. So let's try this on the. Let's try this do on this. Let's try to doing it on weekly chart. One. It seems harder, man. It seems hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know everybody wants that ABC correction, right? So ABC. Let's make this white. The market is not stable yet. Ah, no, it's nowhere close to stable, man. Good move to buy some right now. I don't know, man. You must be TA. You should know the Elliott wave. It's basic of basic. No, I'm sorry. Elliott waves is not basic of basic. Elliott waves is mumbo jumbo. No, it's not actually mumbo jumbo. I know the problem I have with Elliott waves is the guy that made made Elliott waves. He's basing this on human psychology, on charts that he read previously. He assumes these hamster rule assumptions are really bad in technical analysis, and the guy never got rich. And that's the biggest peewee I've got, you know. It's like, if you want to get rich, who are you going to listen to? Your financial advisor at the bank that's paying you, like, that's getting a wage check, right? Or you're going to listen to some millionaire that's actually making money, right? The same thing here. I'm going to, you know, if somebody makes something in technical analysis and they are still poor, then I just disregard that. So Elliott wave, sure, it might work. I don't know. I've seen people using it. I've seen even professionals using it, but I just cannot make it work. So I'm not very good with Elliott waves. I tried it over and over again. It doesn't help me in my trading. So you know, I just discard. I like looking at. I like looking at other people doing it, but I'm not there. She learned to listen in the bull market and will make money in the bear market. That's good. I learned my stuff in the bear market, and that was a pain in the, you know what, because you're trying to go long all the time in the bear market because yeah, I got this now, I get this, let's go long, and then it goes down against you. Thank you from Malaysia. You're welcome, man. Malaysia is nice. I watched a lot of videos from Malaysia. A lot of technical analysis saying we are going to test 28. I don't see 28,000, guys. I don't see 28,000. Let's try to find 28,000. Where is the 28,000 coming from? So let's put the number here. 28,000 on the daily chart. It's this week down here, so that's nothing. It's none of these weeks. 28,000, yeah, the 50 moving average. Okay, now I see it. That's the 28,000. It's gonna take another dump in a couple of minutes or less. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Like, if it's gonna go down, it has to go down now because it's not gonna go up again. I don't think if it has to go now, it's gonna go down. And right now we are looking to break this level over here, 36,684, give or take. Oh wait, no. Yeah, 36,683. So once we break this, you can see that right now the price is falling down towards this number over here. This is the 5-minute close. Let's see the 1-minute close, how it looks like. Yeah, it's the same place. Once it breaks 36,683 and closes below this over here, it's gonna dump another big dump, I think. Any views of Dodge late adopter? Dodge is minus 10%. It's still holding above the 50 moving average, whatever that means right now. I don't think people are interested in Doge that much right now though. If it's gonna go, is it going just like Bitcoin right now? Yeah, let's look at it on 4 hour because I've been seeing a lot. Yeah, it's dropping just like Bitcoin. It's exactly the same pattern. Bitcoin managed to get above 20 moving average. This isn't getting above moving average, but it is dropping. Exactly the same pattern. It's following Bitcoin by the dot, you know. Exactly the same you can see here. This is Bitcoin and this is Doge. Where is Doge? Goes down, up, down, okay? See Bitcoin? Down, up, down. Same pattern. Here we are hitting it. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? No, I did not miss it. I want to get to this next drop. I think it's gonna be. It's trying to pick up again. It's trying to pick up again. We don't know what's gonna happen. 1 minute chart, guys. We are watching 1 minute chart. It's forming a triangle. Look, it is forming a triangle on 1 minute chart. Yeah, sure. This is not a triangle. This is a pennant. It's a continuation pattern, so basically we are dropping hard down, going to pennant. This is a continuation pattern, and right now we should drop on the downside. Triangles are continuation patterns. Can you tell the best entry point for other Cardano? Yeah, when it's reached 0, that's probably the best. No, not 0, because yeah, if it reaches 0, that's the best entry point. Thanks for responding to my message. Love from India. Ah, you're welcome, man. Did you step in to buy again less days? No, I didn't. I was just waiting it out. You know, I've been burned enough times to know that it's better to wait for confirmation than assume things and hope it's gonna go up. You know, hope. You know, it might play it out, but it's a little bit of gambling. Right now, over here, when we were having this 4 hour, you know, there was hope, and I was telling everybody there is still hope. Like even on this candle, on the green candle up here, when we broke to the upside above the 20 moving average, it was hope, but it was still not confirmed. Like you still get back, get about 41, 33. It's still not quite there yet. And then this, and I also said like this might also happen. You never know. So you need some kind of confirmation before you get in. How can you tell when there is heavy manipulation at play? Because they are manipulating by technical analysis. So they are looking. You will see this all the time on the charts. You can see over here this clear manipulation. Price went above the 20 moving average, and then they dropped it down because they want people to FOMO in, right? And then drop it down hard. You don't know that, but this wasn't actually a sign to get in because we weren't getting a higher high, right? If we are to get higher high or something like that, that would be more bullish. So you're always looking for bullish signals or bearish signals in technical analysis. There is no certainties, but the more bullish signals, the more probable it's gonna look that it's gonna play out correctly. The more bearish signal. But right now there was just so many mixed signals. This down here, this drop down here that happened, there was a divergence, RSI divergence over here, so that's why we went up here, and then we went above the 10 moving average, and we're sitting above 10 moving, but getting squeezed by the 20 moving average, right? And right when we broke down here, we are still not in the clear. Sure, it's a small bullish signal, but we are still very much in the bearish trend, right? So you cannot just assume, take one signal for granted and, you know, go long. You have to look at it. Did I miss it? Did I miss the 5 minutes? Oh, guys, don't scare me. I thought I missed it. I want to watch this. I want to watch this. Don't. You are distracting my watching. Do you have the target for VeChain? No, I'm sorry, I don't have a target. I know the last time VeChain dropped really hard. Right now, there we go. We're starting to drop this. This drop is starting. Last time VeChain dropped really hard. I'm guessing that's because the liquidity on exchange are quite low. So somebody was market selling and had the fat fingers, and they dropped it really hard. How it got down there, I don't know. It went down 74% or something like that. Lol, I called the 1 minute dropping. Good call, man. Good call. Can you do the TR on XRP? You can go to my channel, I did the TR on XRP. I was quite bearish. You know, I made 4 videos today. The first video about XRP and I was quite bearish. I was trying to be stay optimistic, but I was mostly realistic. Like, you know, it's a bad setup, you know. And people didn't like my videos, disliked the video, wrote some not so nice comments, you know. And then I thought, like, why am I doing this? I have to give people some hopium. I get be a little bit more optimistic. So the next video I did on the Cardano and the VeChain and even BitTorrent, the 3 next videos are really optimistic, and look what happens. This is when you are overly optimistic and you're trying to find some kind of hopium, this happens, you know. But you can go watch XRP video. He just following Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the main squeeze. You gotta follow Bitcoin every day now. And we are doing Bitcoin live on every single day on this channel. So do make sure to subscribe and come around 10-11 Central European time. Every single day we do live Bitcoin technical analysis. So that might actually help you. Look at this. Everything is down minus 15-20%. Wow. Crazy numbers. I want to show you something, guys. This is RLC. I was talking to people today that this actually looks quite good. RLC was having a bumpy today. It was. Let me see this on maybe 30-minute chart. It went. No, let's see on the daily chart. XRP, sorry, RLC was going up like 20. This is 22%, but from the open, it was up. It was up something like 28%, then it went down to 2%, then it went up to 20% or something like that. Now it's down to 7%. RLC is crazy today, guys. RLC is crazy today. Did I miss it? Oh, not yet. So close. So close. Are there any divergence here? No divergence. Don't leverage in this market, guys. The moves happen on the 5-minute chart are like 20% up and down. Do not leverage, do not margin, do not do anything. Know your enemy. Yeah. Dodge Army. Crypto fanboy. How you doing, man? I'm not gonna do any kind of like. I don't wanna miss this drop below here, man. You know, crypto fanboy. He's one of the most active people in Telegram chat. I think so. Every time I open Telegram chat, he's there. I pulled out yesterday. I don't know why YouTubers didn't state the obvious. The problem with stating the obvious is because people are calling you fodder, people are calling you names, people don't like you when you are bearish. So when you listen to YouTubers, don't listen what they say. Listen what they are not saying or what they are saying but really low key. Because often they will say, yeah, this looks as a very good chance to do this, and we're gonna, but you know, there's a small but on the end, and that but you have to be careful because YouTubers don't want to, you know, get the hate. I'm here for proper analysis, not to always hear optimistic projections only. Stop bothering about silly comments and just remember, I'm always realistic, man. 28 is coming. There are more than 28 target guys. The 28 is only the target it's only the weekly 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is 28. That's over here, give or take 27.6 or something like that, maybe a little bit up. Yeah, 27.8. So 28. We got 2 more. We got support here at 32,259 as well, and this one support that we just broke. So I actually think it's a resistance, not support. Let's go back to the 1-minute chart. I don't want to miss this, man. Say Hare Krishna. Okay, man. Seen on charts yesterday by myself, and every YouTuber was talking about buying the dip. You know, after the first dip, you know, after the first big dip, everybody wanted to buy the dip. So everybody was like, please go down, please go down. And now it's going down. Do you think people will buy the dip? Not worried, it will go back up. It cannot go down forever. I'm telling people, like, when you have like, these 50% dips, they are unsustainable. Where can I meet the king of crypto who decides when the bull market starts and finishes with 1% of the world population in crypto? What nonsense are you YouTubers together like sheep the bull market? Didn't catch all of that. 2 drops of P just came out. Where can I try this crazy? Elon has something to do with this. I don't think it has something to do with it, but I think they're using Elon to, you know, to crash the price. But I don't think he's behind it. This tells you. I think he has bigger plans for crypto and Dogecoin and everything. Like, I think Elon is gonna be big in crypto now. He's very interested in the market. So he got the Tesla, he got the rocket spaceship, you know, and I think he's gonna go into crypto soon. So anything he touches, you know, you should be watching him. Hello brother, as per our technical analysis, Bitcoin go between 30,000 today or not? We don't know. That's not how technical analysis works, guys. Technical analysis work like this. We figure out where supports are lying. We figure out supports, and then we look where it's gonna stop. We don't know if it's gonna stop up here. We don't know if it's gonna stop down here. We don't know if it's gonna stop down here. But when it goes down, we're looking if it's gonna stop at certain kind of supports, and then. Dude, don't scare me. Did it drop? Did it drop? Don't say boom, man. I thought it dropped. Oh, yeah, boom, boom, boom. Bitcoin not even at 250,000 yet. Let's stop talking about bull market. Crypto only getting started. Maybe it's getting started. I'm not saying anything, guys. I am. Maybe we should do this in like something like this, so we can watch the chart live over here. Yeah, this is 1 minute chart. We're gonna keep on watching, and then we can do some kind of analysis over here. Something like this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that you can see the Tron. So this is Tron. Tron is also dropping down. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. No, this Bitcoin RLC. RLC right now. The RLC is the only thing that's right now up 8%. RLC is holding up, guys. I don't know if this is heaven or what. 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly chart still above all the moving averages. How can this be? I don't think it's gonna stand for long. I think they're gonna push this one down as well. They're going falling below 200 moving average on 1-hourly chart, and 30-minute chart is getting some kind of support on the 50 moving. RLC is doing better than everything else, like 7.41% right now up. If you got money, keep buying more. With so much fear in the market, you can't find any momentum for uptrend. There is a lot of fear, you know, but the fear stops at one point. Garavid coming out at 6, comparing emerging markets. Would love later Doppler feedback. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna... Yeah, just go to my Telegram group and then tag me in the name and then post a link to the video, so I'm probably gonna see it. Good thing you can do is buy a third at each level, 1/3 at each level. BTC to 20k is pretty obvious. Why is it obvious? I don't see it. I mean, I understand that it might actually go down there, but I don't think it's that obvious. And the reason I don't think it's that obvious is because the reason I don't think it's that obvious is because we already were at 30,000, so going even lower than that, it's kind of hard, especially since the first dump was kind of heavy. So I don't know. I think we might actually get some kind of low numbers, but will it actually be 32,000, 38,000 or not? Maybe on the week, maybe. But obvious, I wouldn't say it's obvious. Because of the market sentiment, no one wants to buy here, so the next level would be at next support at 28 where we touched. Maybe. You know, that's what you're saying. You're saying because of market sentiment, nobody wants to buy. But last time it dropped, like everybody wanted to buy, nobody dared to buy. Now everybody starts saying like, yeah, I want to buy the dip. Now you're getting in the dip, but are you gonna buy? Who is gonna buy this dip? At what point do you think like it's done dipping? Have a nice day. Testing new suspension. Make old car fast. New insane YouTube labs coming up soon. Cheers. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Nice to have you all always on the chat, man. You're the same voice here. This is why you need to be a FA guy as well as T guy. Oh yeah, fundamental analysis. Yeah, maybe that might happen. I just don't have time to do fundamental analysis, man. to watch and read about everything. Let's just watch 1 hour 1 minute chart and see this dip happening in live time. I buy when probable upside is more than likely downside. That's right, man. We wait for confirmations, we wait for the upside to happen, we wait for the uptrend, and then we get in. I mean, yes, you can buy you can try to catch the knife, you can do a lot of stuff, but it's hard, man. This is hilarious. Everyone is here for hours only to find out that it's higher dip than last time. People weren't expecting that big of dip, so they didn't know what's coming. Now they know what's coming, you know, and that might even scare them more. 10 euros from Ethan Farmer. Why is it always sets of 3? Is that human psychology thing? Like when it drops, there's a major drop at first, it will catch a little, drop more. Small green tail grows, then drops again. Yeah, like I don't know if it's sets of 3, but the patterns are repeatable. They are very repeatable, all time frames, all the time. That's why technical analysis work, because pattern repeats. There are varieties in the patterns, but they do repeat, and that's probably because of human psychology and how people are trading this trading. They're looking for supports, they're looking for resistances, and when they do that based on, you know, human psychology, then you get these same kind of patterns that are always repeating itself. This is also very normal. Price drops very hard, pulls back, drops very hard down, pulls back to the upside, drop down, and then it starts bleeding again, right? So even if you watch, for example, Wyckoff distribution that everybody's talking about, there is also something called Wyckoff's accumulation phase. Accumulation phase goes like hard down. This is PS or whatever it's called, and then you have the selling climax on the bottom, then you have an automatic response on the top, and then you have secondary test, and then it goes down, and this it should drop a little bit down here, and there should be a secondary next secondary test here, and then it continues to the rest. But the patterns are repeatable. That's why technical analysis work. Thanks for the questions, man. Thanks for the question. Tia just being a high-paid psychologist. Yeah, it does help, does it? Tia is rock solid. Can't hate on it. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. They don't screw institutions. They want you. Maybe. Productions, I'm speaking the truth. People are fearful, but look at how it's being bought. The dresses buying are not buying low amounts, they are buying big amounts. Retail investors sell. Yeah, probably. They're just trying to get the retail investors are panicky. I'm holding 20 million Shiba Inu coins, 17,000 Doge, 10 BTC, 1,000. You're gonna be patient. Have been trading from 2015. If you can hold for 4 years, man, you know, I understand you. You know, there are people that just buying coins and they go to the beach and they don't care, because they know they will be holding it for 5-10 years. But most of the people in crypto right now, they're here for the fast gains, right? They just want to get in, become millionaires and get out. So when they see something like this, they cannot hold for 4 years because, you know, they got other stuff to do. Our altcoin, oh, we are coming very close to the line, guys. We are coming very close to the line. Ah, did you see that buy epic? That's like somebody's trying to give some hope to the people. There we go. That's the line and the drop. Oh, they're buying it up. They're buying it up. Will it hold? Will it hold? It's not closed. The candle is not closed. We have to have a candle close below the line. Once this is over, your Bitcoin or alts, maybe alts, considering what's happening in China with Bitcoin. They just said they're banning mining and stuff like that. And upside on Bitcoin versus alts, you know. 3 years ago, people told me I was crazy buying Cardano at 2 cents. I never listened to fools. Good, man, good for you. You should always do your own research. Did you see this, guys? Did you see this? it went down, got some kind of supply here. People start selling. Somebody bought this right up, right? So going back to 10-20 moving average, maybe 50 moving average, and then going on. So we got time. We got time. Or if it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. So close. Oh, he's going for it again. He's going for it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It doesn't wanna. It doesn't wanna. See in one shot, they have the last ammo to try down BTC, dude. I've been seeing, looking at all charts, man. I'm literally going crazy. I can't watch this. See, second week down. Second week down. It doesn't want to break it. What price level do you think a top for ADA could be in the next 10 years? I have no clue, man. I'm not a very good market cycle. I am don't. Oh, did you see the close? Did you see the close, guys? Did you see the close? Right above the line. And now it's going. Now it's going. But still 56 seconds left. We still don't have the close below the line. We still don't have no close below the line. We got 3 weeks below the line. No close yet. Getting exciting, guys. Getting exciting. I don't know what ADA's price is gonna be in the next, next 10 years. Have no clue, man. I don't know what ADA's price is gonna be next week. How am I gonna figure out what ADA's price is gonna be in 10 years? The whales could crash and suppress the market so they can accumulate. Ultimately, they want maximum value on their asset. That's right, man. You should read up on Wyckoff's accumulation and phase and stuff like that. I just found out about Wyckoff. I did not know about it before, as many other people. 10 seconds left. Did you see that? Did you see the trading going on? People are fighting. Bulls are fighting to keep it above, but there is too much pressure and it's gonna close below. It's closed below, and it's going down. They're trying to get it back up. They still got one chance. They still got one chance. The next candle must be green above the line to invalidate the previous candle. So if we manage to get this green candle upside, this is invalidation. So we're gonna see if they can do that. 43 seconds left. Right now there are 5 good projects, low market cap. If you hold for 3 years, you will make millions. Why 3 years? I think it's more like 4 years, man. Like watching a football match. 22 seconds left. Let's see what's gonna have. 19 seconds left. If we have 2 red candles below the line, but the moving averages are still above us. Still above us. Oh, it's gonna close above the line. Yeah, it closed above the line. Okay, not yet, guys. Not yet. Chart, it's only emotions. How you know BTC will actually come back up after this massive dump? What of its... Well, Bitcoin is not dead. You know, the hashing function still works. The cryptography still works. The mining still works. Now, the Chinese miners might have a bad time because, you know, China is banning mining or something like that. But Bitcoin is not dead. Yeah, Bitcoin is not going away. It might be hated, it might be not wanted, but it's not going away. You cannot, and the price might actually be low, but it's not going away. Shiba Inu just rocked me and made me millionaire. Man, you're joking. Shib. It didn't do nothing, man. It didn't do nothing. Why are you scaring people? I thought it went up like 20% or something like that. There we go, another try, being pushed by the 10 moving average. Will this hold? Will this hold? Because if we get below this line over here, guys, at 36,673 for 2 consecutive red candles in a row, that might actually be it. Actually, this candle over here might be it, since we already got one candle down here. It's pushing out 32 seconds more. I think it's going. I don't know. It's going. Oh, there you go. 65, 36, 4. We are down 10%, guys. Guys, should I buy now or wait for a dip for more? You can understand that. I don't know what. Fear equals excitement, yeah. Oh, it got bought back up, right back up. That's the dip, guys. Okay, pack your bags, go home. We're done here. You missed the dip, guys. You missed the dip. I'm sorry. That's life of crypto. You had the like 4 seconds to buy. You did not buy. What can I tell you, man? You gotta be faster. Nah, there is another chance for the dip, guys. There is another chance for the dip. It really doesn't want to break this resistance at 36,683, man. It really doesn't want to break it. Look at this. Look these wicks. It's really holding. It's really holding. It's pushing. It's trying to push. I mean, this is fight between bulls and the bears. Bulls are trying to push the price, keeping the price above this line over here. The bears are selling and selling. Massive selling pressure, massive supply pressure. The price, they want the price to go lower, but bulls are just buying everything up. But at one point, something's gotta give. Either bulls go out of money or bears go out of money. So supply or demand is gonna give. 100% not gonna hold. 5 seconds, man. This is a big candle. This is a big candle going over the previous week, and it's going. Oh, this is bad because it's not pulling back. It's pulling back now, and it's closed. It's gone. It's going down now. I don't know how fast, but you know, it just broke the support. So we got more downside, guys. We got more downside. 1 minute candle doesn't mean much. What's the purpose here? Did not get it yet. Purpose with 1 minute candles is to create excitement, so everybody will stick around and watch the live stream. If you watch the weekly charts, nobody is gonna be excited. So we are trying to just maximize the excitement. Sure, we can watch 4-hourly chart, but it's the same thing. You are just watching the, but then you cannot see the changes here. You have to watch like here. Yeah, 36, 46. Yeah, it's not very exciting. You know, this is not exciting. This is not exciting. So you gotta watch either 5-minute chart or something else like 1 minute chart. You know, 1 minute chart exciting. It's a good entertainment for live stream. What am I gonna tell you, man? It's good entertainment for live stream. If you watch bigger charts, it's not good entertainment. I'm sorry, but that's kind of life is, you know. You can fight it, you can say what you want, but you know, it's entertainment. And you know, we YouTubers, we live for that, you know, entertain people and stuff like that. But it's looking good. 28, woohoo. Then another easy 20 up and another fake out, stock market crashes. When do you think the stock market is gonna crash, guys? Yeah, it's going now. It's going. Yeah, you can see right over here that the bulls lost. The bulls lost fight. So this is how here, guys, I'm gonna teach something. This is how support and resistances work, because they are not actually fixed static things that cannot be broken. So this was our level of support that bears had to break. So they are having a lot of selling pressure on the downside. There is a lot of selling pressure, but the bulls, the buyers, the demand is coming in and they are buying up everything, right? But the selling pressure is really, really high, hitting this target, but everything is being bought up. And at one point, either sellers or buyers win. Over here, sellers, the supply won, the bears, and push the price further down. And that's how it goes with all of the support lines. Let's where do my support lines go? Let's put them back up. This one. So all of the support lines, doesn't matter where these support lines are, we don't need this one over here. All of the support lines work on the exact same way. We go to the support line and then we look at the fight between the bulls and the bears, between the supply and demand, and see who is gonna win. Right? And we look for bullish and bearish signals in the charts. Oh, that was a big buy. That was a big buy. Is it done? Is it done? Is there a divergence here? Let's look at a 5-minute chart. Is there a divergence? Now the charts are laggy. There is. We still haven't broken the 5-minute line, guys. We broke the 1-minute candle, but right now it's pulling back up. Wow, look at that! Look at that 1-minute candle, guys. Yeah, bullish engulfing candle on 1-minute chart. Yeah, we are going definitely back up to 200,000. Guys, we got a bullish engulfing candle. This is called bullish engulfing candle. You see this red candle? This candle is a lot bigger than this red candle. That's called bullish engulfing candle, and it's a bullish candle. Are you able to see my messages? I don't know. Maybe. Where are the messages? Julian Torres says, are you able to see my messages? I don't know whether you're sending my messages, man. Yeah, sorry about the depressing music. I didn't do that on purpose. You know, I just got like 15 songs that I can play, so I need to up my music library with something more interesting. Let's go, Bulls. Where are the big wigs? Are we usually following? You just need to know if you are in the bull market or bear market to know. But are we still in the bull or bear market? That's what people are trying to figure out. You know, it's easy to say, you know, in bull market do this, in bear market do that, but in which market are you? You know, how do you figure out which if you're in the bull or bear market? Could you stop being sarcastic, please? People like savings online. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. What's your name? Homie J. Homie J, I understand you completely. I'm very sorry. That said, I understand that people are life savings online. I lost my money myself, a lot of money. I understand how it's being 100% invested and watching something like this. So guys, if you are actually very over invested and you cannot handle the dump, I'm suggesting you watch something else. But that said, everybody losing, when people are losing money, it's not a fun time. I understand every time this price goes down, people are losing money, people are losing stuff. So, you know, I always try to tell people, don't over leverage, don't put your house on it, you know, but it's hard to do that, you know. Most people bought at the top. Most people bought at the top over here. It said should, but most people bought up here. And right now everybody is seeing losses. Most of people are seeing losses now. When it was going up, they weren't sure, and up when it came up to here 50-60,000, people are saying it's gonna go to a million. Everybody bought up here and now it's dropping down, so everybody's losing money. So I understand you, homie. I understand you very well, man. And I apologize for being the way I am. Unfortunately, you know, that's me. But I've tried to keep it a little bit down. I understand it. Heavy negative momentum. Maybe. Now we are breaking the 5-minute chart, but 5 minutes. No, this is not 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart. Yeah, we're breaking the 5-minute chart now. But still 2 minutes and 42 seconds left, so this can just pick up like the previous candle. We still haven't closed on 5-minute chart yet. Stop apologizing with soft test. No, man. Yeah, you have to understand that they are not soft. Like, a lot of them have families, just like me, just like other people, and they have invested a lot of money because they listen to some of their friends or whatever. And right now they're sitting there and panicking, like, because their life savings are going away. Maybe it's not your life saving, but you also have to have a compassion for other people. That's just how the life works, man. I cannot say just, you know, F you, it's going down or whatever. You have to have some kind of compassion. You have to understand that people are losing money. Apparently slow bleed to 35, then a mega drop to 28. Maybe. Will it go down to very down, and then whales will flip into Doge to make it dominant crypto? Yeah, maybe that's the plan. Maybe that's the plan with all of the fund on Bitcoin, is to make Doge dominant. There was you know, the guy called Raul. What's his name? I'm gonna find his name. I cannot find his name. I don't know what I'm gonna search for. He said that right now the communities, crypto communities are getting really big, and Elon Musk is gonna make, because Elon Musk has Twitter, he has Tesla, he has this, so there's a huge, and he has Twitter with 80 million followers, so he's a huge community around him, right? So if he makes Dogecoin the currency to be used in his community, it's gonna be big, right? And then maybe Amazon is gonna have its community and its currency, and there's gonna be several other currencies that people are gonna use in communities. If China bans mining, Texas miners will expand their mining corporation. It's already crowded, it makes it hard to profit. Yeah, Raul Paul, yeah, that's the guy, Raul Paul. Raul Paul was talking about communities, how the cryptocurrency might actually be affected by that. Yeah, we are watching 33 seconds for a 5-minute chart to close below here. Let's see 30 minutes. There is not 30 minutes. This is the only one. This is the last one. And after this, we have still to wait 5 minutes left to see if it doesn't pull back up. Because if you get another green candle after the red candle, it invalidates this breakdown. So you want at least 2 candles after each other closing below the support to actually confirm that they actually broken. Altcoins will stop following BTC when it hits 10k. Maybe. Is there anything in green? The only thing is green RLC, right? You see here a green candle, but will it actually get back above 36,683? It kind of depends. I don't see anything green, guys. Do you see? I see one thing that's green, and that's RLC 2% up right now. This is the only thing that's green. It looks very bullish. I don't know why, but it's the only thing that's green. It's still staying above the 10 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. It's still 2% up. How long it's gonna handle this, I don't know. But that's on my chart. There is one more thing. There's one more thing that's green. I'm gonna find it. Yeah, there is one more thing, but I don't wanna shield that because you know, reasons. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the chart. Bitcoin chart. 1 minute. It's 1 minute chart. Is there a divergence here? Let me see. Is there a divergence? There is no divergence on 1 minute chart. Let's see 5 minute chart. Is there a divergence? There is divergence on farming. Guys. Look at this. It's gonna happen. Is this it? Is this it? Is it finished? Is it done? You guys think it's done? It's a 5 minute chart. On 30 minutes there is nothing. Daily. Wait. Daily hit 22 on the RSI 3 days ago. 22, and it was probably a lot lower when this week down here at 29,000. Unsustainable. Weekly 45, 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly is right now also giving it. Yeah, 4 hourly is holding the support, but if you start dropping down, and to avoid the RSI divergence on the 4 hourly, we have to drop quite hard. So from here we have to drop quite hard to avoid the 4 hourly divergence, right? Not quite hard, but we have to drop. If it goes, yeah, if it goes below these lines, then okay. Let's see 5 minute chart. It's not, you know, two and a half minutes left. But we are already getting extended from the 10 and 20 moving average. This is a 4 hourly chart. Let's look at extensions, guys. Let's look at extensions. So how can we already beat this extent? This is the big dump. This is the big dump, like the 29,000, right? Yeah, look at this. This is the big dump over here, and it goes down here. These are only showing the extensions on the certain time frames. This is extension from the 10 moving average. We are not quite there yet, but when we had this week down here, we had on the 4 hourly, that's the extension from the 10 moving average. That this also happened up here. You can see that when we get these kind of big extensions, we don't necessarily get a pullback. This went down and went sideways. This went down heavily and pulled back all the way there, but then we got back up. But right now we're going down, and we are getting close to this line up down here. It's just extensions, guys. It's just extensions. So let's see on the daily how this looks. Extensions are going out of the window. Yeah, but it's already done because right now it's co-working. So daily is done. Let's see 1 hourly. Yeah, 1 hourly can actually go quite a lot lower still, but it is quite a big tick so far. 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, this is the 5 minute drop. This is the big drop down here. We had this big drop right now, but that's nothing yet. If we get something like this over here, then that's over. Yeah, maybe we should be following 5 minute drops. We'll see. Extensions. Right now you see that invalidating the previous 5 minute candle. If we can close, 24 seconds left, so we're gonna see if the bears can actually pull this down below the line. Did you got people to more music? Is this the button? Don't know, man. You see, this is the 5-minute chart. See this line? That's the 10 and 20 moving average. As long as we are below both of them, it's not the bottom. You know what I'm thinking? Since everybody wants 28,000, right? Since everybody wants 28,000, we are not gonna get 28,000. It's not going to zero, man. Let's do intro. Nah, we don't do it. China. What's the song title? It's called 12 Speed Slink. I don't know. 12 Speed Slink. Inverted head and shoulders, maybe. Where's the inverted hand? 1 minute chart. I don't see it, man. I want 28, but I'll begin lathering up. Will it drop to 20k, 8k? Really? There is a support on 28k, sure. Will it drop there? We don't know. Tell Head and Shoulders where you would buy. Tell us where you would buy. It's not where you think I would buy. The only way crypto is going to zero if you manage to destroy the entire internet. They are gonna try to, yeah, whatever. Sell everybody is going to zero. I want to keep buying cheap. If it's going to zero, why are you buying? If you are buying, then it cannot go to zero, right? Sub 30k BTC income, we grabbed the opportunity. On BTC USD 5 minutes ago, it shot up to 41, then right back down to 36k. What? Somebody got fat fingers, man. Somebody bought loads. Maybe this is the bottom. If this, that's a lot, man. But you know, USDC is very the volume and liquidity on USDC is very low compared to USDT. So let's not take anything for granted yet. One minute breaking resistance. Yeah, 1 minute breaking the 50 moving average. But is this 200 and this 100 and 200 moving average on 1 minute chart? You small time frames, you have your higher moving averages here. On 1 minute you should probably be using something like 400 as well. Sol XRP Trox are actually tanking the bears. This might actually be some kind of double bottom on the 1 hour chart. You know, it can happen. And there is clearly versions of 5 minute chart, but you know, it's 5 minute chart. What am I gonna say? 30 minute chart picking up a little bit. But even here it picked up a little bit and then started to drop hard. What are we gonna do? Get us some rounded bottom here? That will be the first time. TL, I want to ask you the chances of 51% attack on Bitcoin. I think if Chinese miners want to do it, maybe they can do it. I don't know. But you have to have a lot of hashing power to do that. So it's a lot easier to attack 51% attack something else. I love your stream, bro. Keep it up. Thanks, man. F2P chaotic. Cheers. Appreciate it. Yeah, cup shape recovery, maybe. Can't wait for this to be over. Yeah. Is this song called 25k FUD? Tila, what's your actual name? Well, people call me Magnus Carlsen. People seem to forget that China basically controls their citizens. Is it coffee? It's not coffee, it's tea. I don't know, green, some kind of green Lipton Twinglings tea or something like that. Oh, this, no, it's tea. It's tea. So the handle you get less pullback. I don't know, man. We're gonna see. 5-minute charts are interesting. Getting to this 20 moving average. Will we break the 20 on the 5 minutes? It might actually help. Stop trading if you are not experienced for newbie. Just hold for long term. Your life will be easier, less stress. That's true, but it's very stressful if you are newbie and you buy the top. Okay? If you are newbie and you buy the top, it's very stressful. Doesn't matter, you know. If you buy a newbie and you buy down here, it's not stressful at all. Like it's go down, it's go. It doesn't matter what it does. You bought here, like there is no problem. You're still in profit. But if you buy up here, it's very stressful. Doesn't matter if you're a trader or not, if you're newbie or not. There's still tons of volume tether overall. Yeah. You should start streaming on Twitch. Much more profitable for you and videos on YouTube. I don't know. People on Twitch are not into cryptocurrency that much. You know, everybody on Twitter in cryptocurrencies, they are on YouTube and on Twitter, but not on Twitch. What's the most reliable time frame for confirming patterns in your opinion? Depends on what you want to trade. If you just want to trade like day trade or something like that, you probably want to look at 4-hourly time frame or 1-hourly time frame, something like that. But day trade, do not day trade, guys. Do not day trade. Basically, daily time frame. The higher time frame, the better. We did not make lower low on the 4-hour chart. Did the 4-hour close? Oh, actually, yeah, we didn't. Oh, that was 27 minutes ago. I missed the 4-hourly close, guys. I missed the 4-hourly close. I wasn't even watching it, guys. So what's happening here is that we got low and we got a higher low up here. Let's remove all these lines. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this. So you can see here we got this low down here. This is the close, and this close is higher than this close, and that's bullish, because if it was here that would be bearish. So it's good. But wait. I know you might think that this is bullish, and it might be bullish, but if we had closed below this line over here, if we had closed below this line over here, right, we would be creating divergence, and that means the price going up. So maybe they are on purpose stopped above it just to push price more down and then create the divergence. So that can be it, you know, because traders are seeing these divergences and start acting on it, and they get some kind of upward. So this might also be some kind of manipulation. They don't want divergence right now. They want just to fall down naturally, you know. 5-minute chart going up. My eyes can hold back the tears. Well, on the 5 minute there is definitely divergence, but 1-hourly. No. 4-hourly now. We are extended from the 10 moving average, so we might get some kind of relief here sideways or something like that before we get pushed down again, or we start climbing again. Guys, nothing is certain over here. Bitcoin is in terrible shape. You can see how much FUD are we getting, and I've been telling my Patreons group all the time for a while now. Hodling is a bad strategy right now. Doesn't matter how you look at it, hodling is bad strategy. But if you don't know how to trade, like what can I say? In bull markets, hodling is the best strategy you can have. Look here. Let's use this one up here. In bull markets, doesn't matter how the price goes, wherever you buy, hodling is the best strategy. In the bear markets, it's not. Right? It's going down. Now you might argue, yeah, but if you just hold long enough, it's gonna come up. That's true. If you wanna hold for 4 or 10 years or whatever, it's gonna come back up. Sure, maybe. Because Bitcoin is not going up linearly up in a logarithmic scale. It's kind of curving, right? So it's not gonna have these big weeks up to like 120 million or something like that later date. But it might be more valuable in 4 to 10 years, right? But who's gonna hold the 4 to 10 years, man? That's a lifetime. For most people that are equipped, that's a lifetime. I know investors and stuff are gonna hold for 4 to 10 years or even more. I got 5 minutes got rejected by the 20 moving average. Here we go, guys. Hodler is in 20 years. Thank God I held. Yeah. I mean, sure, the hodling is best strategy. It depends on how long you're holding, right? If you just want to hold for a couple of months, then you should do that in bull market. In bear market, it's gonna eat you alive. There is another article saying it's gonna go to 25,000. Yeah, I've read that, man. So everybody is assuming it's gonna go there, so they're believing that. So we're right now looking at 5-minute chart if it's gonna go below the 10 moving average again, because right now we got rejected by the 20 moving average. And you see what happens when you get rejected by any moving average, like, yeah. So if you get rejected by 20 moving average right now and fall below the 10 moving average down here, then it might continue tumbling down. So you're gonna see if that's the case. Risk management is really the most important factor in investing, trading. True. KGO gave me just 20 bucks or 20 pounds. Thanks, man, I appreciate it. You didn't say anything. I wish you did. But I appreciate it, man. Thanks. I'll take anything. A lot of people you don't know, but you know, when I started the channel, we had live streams, and I was joking that the live stream, all income from live streams are going to buying my wife a new iPhone. I still haven't done that, but soon she's gonna get a new iPhone. So technically it wasn't a joke, you know. But we are not there yet where I've got enough money from the donation that I can buy a phone. But I will chip in so she will get a new iPhone. How much XRP do you hold? 0. Are we in the bear market? We don't know. We are in the bear market, we don't know. When's the TI crash course coming? I need that, bro. Yeah, the crash course in technical analysis, you know, I made certain lessons, and then there's just too much to do with the YouTube videos and the Patreon, and then I have to also I have a life as well, right? So I've been waiting, but I gotta get my, you know what, in gear and make that finish. So I'm thinking it's pretty soon, but not quite yet there. But it's gonna be soon. Yeah, we're gonna continue doing live streams because, you know, when something's happening, this is the best thing to do. You know, just chat and just might be kind of boring from time to time, because right now we are heading 1 hour 33 minutes or something like that, and I got to go soon. So do you like rock and roll? I like everything, man. I'm old enough to like everything. Like 90% of stuff I like. Hi from Greece. Any news for Tron? Is it gonna survive? Man, everything is following Bitcoin, right? Everything is following Bitcoin. If you wanna know if something's gonna survive, just like now, right shoulder BTC, then up. Right shoulder. On what time frame, man? I don't see it. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? 14 seconds left. TGO, $20 again. Is that for the iPhone? Thanks, man, I appreciate it. Hash ribbons, Prosky. I don't do ribbons, man. My heart goes, people are losing money. Stay strong. That's a good message. I was actually hoping. Nah, I wasn't hoping. Yeah. But there's so little things in green now. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 things in green or something like that. Why is the better hodl during a bear market if nothing goes to zero and you haven't bought more than you can afford? What's the problem? There's no problem. If you buy then, if you don't buy more than you can't afford, or if you can just hodl through bear market, there's no problem. A lot of people held through 2017 both bull and bear market, right? And right now both cashing it and even hodling further. There is no problem. But most people cannot hodl for 4 or 5 or 10 years. Most people are impatient. They want fast gains. That's the problem. And they're still thinking that hodling strategy is somehow gonna work in the bear market. This is gonna be over very soon. If it's a bear market, it's gonna take time. But right now we're not sure if it's a bear market or not. So like CoinSkid says, you know, we're gonna down and then we're going to 200,000. First rejection, second rejection, third rejection. Right now we're gonna see if we're gonna get fourth rejection over here. Bro, when do you live stream? Is it the same time every day or a specific triggers? Every day around 10-11 Central European time I do Bitcoin daily video. Every single day, Bitcoin daily video live stream. And these other live streams, like right now, they come just, you know, they pop up when something happens or when I feel like. There is no. But every day I do live stream my first video, and that's Bitcoin video, and I live stream tech analysis every single day. So do join up, click the notifications button to get that, you know, and anyways. Guys, thanks for sticking around. Now you can go to other streamers and say, yeah, the late adopter sent us here because he closed his stream. Thanks for joining me in for a little chat on the Bitcoin. It's been interesting. It's still not over yet, guys. So when are we gonna say it's over? Well, it's hard to say. But this might be some kind of double bottom. But nothing is confirmed. Nothing is confirmed. There is no confirmation. You always want some kind of confirmation in anything you do, and without confirmation, there is nothing. Okay, let's wait 2 minutes and see if this can breaks the 20 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Maybe it can do that. Maybe they can get beyond 35. Maybe they can. Pushing price down is very hard. It's not as easy as you guys think. Oh, it's just manipulation, just sell. You know, if most people, most bulls are like, you know, they want the price to go up, it's very hard to like crash the price. You need help. You need panic. You need help. You know, you need a lot of stuff to push the price down. It's not that easy. Subscribed, crypto subscribe. Thanks, man. Everybody who's not subscriber, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to pump those numbers as well. It's a scam. If you drop the ball now, you are part of the I'm sorry, I'm part of the problem. I gotta go, man. I literally has thing to do that I cannot let be. Musk is cancerous to the crypto scene. Ah, man. Everybody loved Musk when I was tweeting about Doge, though. How about a begin of Wyckoff in ETH chart? It's you know, everybody's saying Wyckoff distribution is happening on Ethereum. I think it's too early to call that. Okay, it's just way too early, way too early. So we don't know yet. Guys, he's got a date. Yeah, I got a date with my wife and kids. So, and that's really, really important. But I'm gonna wait out 30 seconds more and see what's gonna happen here. Can this be the reason of over leveraging? Yeah, I think most leveraged loans are done. Most, not all. But yeah, I think something is happening definitely. .com crash comparison. Wasn't there, so I don't know how to compare it. The whale might be trying to wipe out leverages. Maybe. That's what that one guy told us. And guys, we closed about 20 moving average on the 5-minute chart. This means nothing. Word of advice, this means nothing, literally nothing. This is a 5-minute chart. Never look at 5-minute chart. It literally means nothing. It doesn't mean that we are out of the dump yet, okay guys? It means nothing. I just want to say that. I'm not saying that it's gonna go down or up. I'm not saying anything, because it can stop here, but it can continue more down. It can also continue up. What what is called? The 5-minute chart doesn't mean that much. The 5-minute chart does mean that much. That said, look at the daily candles. Look if we are gonna close below the 200 moving average today or not. That's the important part. Whether we go down or stay here or start crawling up here, if we close below the 200 moving average on daily, that's a bad sign. You know, you don't want to close below the 200 moving average on the daily. What's more bad sign on the 4-hourly? You don't want to close below the you don't want to stay below the 10 and 20 moving. So until you're above 10 and 20, because you can see here the 10 and 20 moving average has been pushing us down for so long. So you go up now, you know, there is 10 and 20 again. You know, so we are definitely not out of the dump yet. This is not yet over. It can still go down more. Is it the bottom? I don't know, guys. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell, and that's how these things work. Anyways, again, appreciate everybody coming to my chat. Appreciate KG donating 40 pounds. Thanks, man. That said, join the Telegram group, guys. Right now we are trying to pump those numbers, you know, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and like on your way out, like the video. See you around, guys. Bye bye.